This video is for the first assignment for the fundraising commercial. First, you're going to go to drive.google.com, click on New, and then click on More, and you're going to click on Weave Video Editor. Next, you're going to click on the plus sign above where it says Create New. And then you're going to click Text up at the top, and you're going to put your pointer on the text box right here. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click with one finger and then drag down with the other finger and keep dragging down until the text box appears in video 1, and you want to put it at the very beginning like this. And then you want to repeat that 3 more times, clicking and dragging until you have 4 text boxes total. And you want to make sure that they're right next to each other, just like we see here. And then next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the first text box, and then a little pencil is going to appear at the top of it. You're going to click on that pencil. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type in a sentence about homeless pets. So you're going to click where it says text, and then you're going to hit backspace over and over again until you erase the word text. And then you're going to type in this sentence. And you can copy it right from here. Then you're going to click on Done Editing. Next, you're going to click on the second text box and click on the pencil. And once again, you're going to hit backspace until you erase the word text. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in another sentence in the text box that has to do with homeless animals. So you can copy this sentence right here. Notice that it doesn't fit right here, so then what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to put our pointer on this little circle and click and drag it just a little bit to the left. So finger down and then drag just a little bit to the left, and now we see that it fits. So then you're going to click on Done Editing. You're going to click on the third text box and then click on the pencil, and then once again backspace until we no longer see the word text. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write a sentence about our fundraiser to help homeless animals. And so you can copy that just like what we see here, and then click on Done Editing. And then the last text box we're going to click on, and then click on the pencil, and then once again hit backspace to erase where it says text. And then we're going to include some details about our fundraiser, and you can just copy it right from here. And once again, it's going to be a little bit too big, so we're just going to put our pointer right on that circle, and then we're going to click with one finger and drag just slightly to the left, and you'll notice that it fits now. And then click on Done Editing. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be adding pictures. So you're going to open up a new tab by clicking the new tab right next to the X. And then you're going to go to search.creativecommons.org. Make sure you copy the correct spelling and then hit enter. Next, we're going to search for pictures. So we can search for either picture of a dog or a picture of a cat. And so I just typed in the word cat and now hit enter on the keyboard. And so what you're going to do is you're going to find a picture that you want. So for example, I'm just going to click on this picture right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hold my finger down on it and then click on Save Image As. And then click on Save. And then what we're going to do is click back over to WeVideo, and you're going to click on the media folder and click on Upload Media. And then what you're going to do is click on Browse to Select, and then you're going to see your picture, and you won't have as many as you see right here. You'll click on your picture and then click on Open. And then once this turns orange, you'll just click on the X, and then you're going to go and find more pictures. So let's say that I wanted this picture here. I would click on it, then I would hold my finger on it and choose Save Image As. And I want to find a total of 4 pictures. So I'm just going to hit Save again. And I'm just kind of clicking on pictures. You can choose whichever ones you want. Hold your finger on it, then let go, and Save Image As. And then do that one more time. So for example, I might choose this one right here. And so hold my finger and then let go and Save Image As, and save. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to upload all of those pictures. So you're going to click on Upload Media, click on Upload More Files, click Browse to Select, and then you're going to click on the picture that you want to upload, and then you'll actually click on the first one. Hold down Shift on your keyboard. And then as you're holding Shift, what you're going to do, is you're going to click on the last one. So holding Shift, and then click on the last one. And that'll select a bunch of them at once. And so then you're just going to click on the X, and it might take a minute for the pictures to load. Now on yours, you're not going to have nearly as much stuff here. You're probably just going to have the pictures that you saved, not all of this stuff here. But anyway, what you're going to do next is you're going to drag your pictures into your timeline. So you're going to click and drag the picture you want to appear first, and you're going to put it underneath your first text box. Then you're going to put your pointer on the edge of it, and you're going to click and drag to the right. So one finger down, one finger drags out to the right, and you want to make it line up with the first text box. Next, what you're going to do is click and drag. So clicking and dragging down a second picture, and you want to make sure that that second picture goes next to the first picture like this. And then you're going to put your pointer at the end and then click and drag to the right so that it lines up with the second text box. Next, we're going to click on another picture. So pointer on the picture, click and drag down. And then you're going to let go and put your pointer on it on the right hand side, click and drag to make it match up with the third text box. And then finally, click and drag your last picture, put it next to the picture you just used, and then click and drag so it matches up with your last text box. So then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some music. So you're going to click on the music note right here. And then you're going to just listen to the music and choose one that you would like to use. So for example, if I click on it once, I'll see a play button, and then I can hit play and I can listen to the music, and hit stop in order to stop it. And then you're going to click and drag and put that underneath your pictures. Then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the minus sign down at the bottom a bunch of times until we see the end of the song. It might take a little while. And then when we finally see the end of the song, what we want to do is we want to put our pointer at the end of it. And we want to click and drag so that it lines up with all of our text and all of our pictures. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little green playhead, and you'll have to use your touchpad. You're going to rewind to the beginning, and then you can hit play to watch your video. And that's it.